Understanding Soil Science, a beginner's guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest English learning video. Today, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of soil science. This field is not just about dirt. It's a crucial part of our ecosystem. Let's explore what soil science is and why it matters. Soil science is the study of soil as a natural resource. It includes the formation, classification, and mapping of soils. Soil is not just earth or dirt. It's a complex mixture of minerals, organic matter, gases, liquids, and countless organisms. Soil scientists study how soils nurture plant life, support constructions, and affect our environment. Understanding soil requires knowing its components. Soil consists of minerals. These come from rocks and provide structure. Organic matter, decayed plants and animals that enrich the soil. Water and air, essential for supporting life within the soil. Soil science is vital for agriculture. Understanding soil helps in growing healthy crops. Environmental conservation. Soil plays a key role in water purification and climate regulation. Sustainable development. It's essential for building and maintaining a healthy ecosystem. There are different types of soil, each with unique characteristics. Some common types are clay, heavy and holds water well. Sandy soil, coarse and drains quickly. Loamy soil, a balanced mixture, ideal for farming. We hope this video helps you understand the basics of soil science. It's a field that touches on many aspects of our lives, from food production to environmental protection. Thanks for watching, and stay curious about the world around you.